cabin air filter on a 2016 F-150. First thing we're going to do is pull all the stuff out of here. Then you'll have a tab here. So on this one you have a damper. You're just going to pull that up just like that. Let it down. And you can see the filters right up in here. But we're going to have to pull this out of the way in order to get to that. Trim piece. Now some of the lower spec trucks don't have this trim piece here. So what you need to do is it's just snapped in place, but just be very careful and get like a nylon or plastic pry tool. And there you go. You can see it's just got these clips here on the back. Not the best design from Ford, that's for sure. So now you have a 7mm here and a 7mm over here. So we'll just pull those out. And now there should be a couple more clips down below. You guys can see what I'm talking about. There's one, there's two, there's three. There we go. I'm just going to lean this down just like that, just to get it out of the way. Now we have better access to this. Let's see where the clip is. There's just two clips on the sides. You just pull it back like that, pops out. So let's have a look. So there's the old filter. Here's the new one. Not too bad. So that's the kind of filter we have. Arrow goes down. If you want to think of it as a tray, just have these two up. And you're going to have these two flaps on the sides here. You want to make sure those are up as well when you stick the filter in. So just like this. Perfect. Plastic does flex a little bit, but that's kind of a good thing. So now just reinstall everything that you had removed, the reverse order. So pop all these back in. I am using an impact, but it's got a variable trigger. Perfect. That's good. Now the wood trim, stick that back in. till you hear it snap. And then we will reconnect the glove box. And for that, I've got the damper here. Both the rubber pieces are back up. So just gotta put the damper back in. There we go. That's what it's supposed to do. So put everything back in and there you go. So don't forget this piece. And this, I'm just gonna start it over on this side. Go. All done.